Happy Thursday, kindergarten friends. Today we're going to work on chapters 8.7 and 8.8, so you will need your Go Math book, which is right here. And if you haven't been practicing counting to 100, you should practice those. Mr. Boggly Eyes wants you to keep practicing, as he is too. And we are going to go ahead and turn to 8.7. You can pause the video if you need to find your 8.7 now, and unpause it when you're ready to go. So, when we count by tens, we're skipping the ones. So if you look here, instead of saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we're just counting by this whole group of 10. And so what they want you to do is just circle the tens. So you would circle 10. What comes next? 20, 30, good, 40, 50, 100. No, Mr. Boggly Eyes, not yet. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100. No, not yet, Mr. Boggly Eyes. We're at 70, 80, 90, 100. That's right, Mr. Boggly Eyes. All the way down here is 100. All right. The reason we do this is because when we're counting by ones and we want to remember what that next 10 is, counting by tens really help us out doing that. So today your job is to work on counting by tens. So if you turn the page, they're going to say, well, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What comes for the next 10? 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, I know you guys know how to count by 10, so I know that you could look down the side and say 10, 20. What would come next? 10, 20, 30. You could skip all of those numbers and go straight to 30. I bet you could skip 31 and go all the way up to 10, 20, 30, 40. Good job. And then what comes after 40? Oh, I hear Takaya saying 50. 10, 20, 30, 40. Is he right, Raleigh? 50. Yes, he is. 50. Good job, you guys. Okay, Skylar, what comes after 50? 60. That's right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Awesome. All right, let's go back. I think you guys know what comes next. I bet you Wyatt knows what comes next. He can count by tens pretty good. What do you think it is, Wyatt? You think it's 70? Let's find out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Awesome job, you guys. Woohoo! All right, let's see here. You ready, Jack? Oh, Jack's a pro at this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. All right, that 8 is tricky. Make sure you stay on those lines. You write it nice and neat so I can barely see it. All right, next we got Coda. Coda, are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Don't forget that 90 comes before 100. All right, here we go. Millie, you get to call the last one out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Faye, do you agree with her? I do. 100. You guys, good job. You just skip counted all the way to 100. Now you get to try on your own. Are you ready to try it? Okay, Ariana, are you ready? Cecil and Ryder, are you ready? Go ahead and start here and skip count down and fill those in. All right. Go ahead and pause the video so you can fill those in. And then when we come back, Xander, we're going to start on 8.8. All right. 8.8 starts on page 471. So if you would please meet me on page 471, that would be wonderful. All right. So on 471, they're going to show us groups of 10 so that we can start seeing what each of these numbers look like. Because I know you guys are really good at counting by tens. Mr. Boggly Eyes, do you want to practice with them? Yeah. Let's count by tens with Mr. Boggly Eyes. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job, Mr. Boggly Eyes. All right, but on this one, we're going to look at the amounts that go with each number because we know how to count them orally, but we should also be able to recognize them. So right now, let's do this together. All right, Presley, are you ready? This first group is one group of 10. That's right. Nice job. And we're going to write 10 to show that's one group of 10. Now, if I have two groups of 10, this is my tens place, isn't it? And I have 0 ones, no extras over here. So I have one group of 10 and two groups of 10. It's almost like having two full 10 frames. So I have 10, 20. Good job. Let's write our 20. All right, stay on those lines, Cecil. You got this. 20. There we go. Good. Now I have three groups of 10. Let's count them together. All right. Are you ready? Here we go, Penny. 10, 20, 30. Good job, you guys. Way to go. Write that 30 right now, Kira. Good job. All right. I hope all of you are writing it with Kira. Here we go. All right, Coda, count with me. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. All right, Takai and Skylar, write that 40 down. Show the class how it's done. You got this. Good job. Ooh, nice 40. All right, here we go. Raleigh and Saffron, are you ready to count for me? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Good job, you guys. Write a 50. Well, there's 5 groups of 10, so we're going to write a 5 and 0 ones. We have 5 tens and 0 ones. How many tens do we have here? Well, we have 1 10, we have 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, and how many? 5 tens. Good job, Mel. Way to follow along. All right, so now they're going to test what you know about this. So how many groups of 10 do you see there? One group of 10. So what is one group of 10? Is it 10, 20, or 30? Well, one group of 10 is 10, so we just circle the 10. All right, this next one is for you. Are we ready? Here we go, Michelle. We have 2 groups of 10. Let's count by tens. 10, 20. Which one of these would I circle for 20? Well, there's 2 groups of 10. Is that a 2 in the tens place? Is that a 2 in the tens? Oh, that's a 2 in the tens place. Good job, you guys. 2 tens. Awesome. Ooh, I see 1, 2, 3 tens. What do you think that is, Serenity? 30. I agree. That's 3 tens or 30. We can go 10, 20, 30. All right, I want you to try the rest on your own and see. Oh, these get a little tough. Do you think we should practice a few together? Maybe we should. Okay, let's count these. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens, so let's count 5 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Which of these, is this 5 groups of 10 or 50? 5 groups of 10 or 50? Or 5 groups of 10 or 50? Yep, I agree. This one right here. All right, I'm going to challenge you guys. Try it out. See if you can get these. I bet you can. If you struggled with this, you can practice on this page, and this looks like a super fun one too. All right, so that's it for counting by tens right now. We have finished our book. If you would like to try the review and turn it in on your next packet pickup, these just rip out, and I would love to see how you're doing on counting by tens and beyond. All right, have a great day. Tune in to the next video if you want to play Math Go Fish. Bye, kindergarten.